morning, you guys. I probably look really tired, and that is because I am. We stayed up yesterday until like 12 in the evening, packing up that kitchen box because I'm getting the keys today. I'm getting the keys at 11 AM. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of work this morning and then a little bit of packing as well. I want to bring over like a bag of toiletries or something with the new flat. So I've done like one of the rounds, the many rounds that I'm having to do over the next like 2 days. For the liquids and all that stuff you can't really put into boxes. But yeah, I'm so excited to see the new place. I'm gonna take you on a little flat tour. And it's interesting because when I viewed the flat, it was fully furnished and the tenants' furniture were already like there. So this is the first time, and you're seeing it together with me, like the first time I'm seeing the flat unfurnished. So I hope you're as excited as I am. I don't really know what I'm getting into, you know? Like I know the bones of the apartment. Obviously I saw the walls, I saw the ceiling, I saw the stairs. What? Stairs? I saw everything, so I kind of know what I'm going into, obviously, but I don't know how it will look. I'm gonna have my breakfast and I'll see you after when I begin packing up my bags to carry all the liquids to go.
Hey!
Wait, hi!
Hi! Hey Maddie's camera,
yeah,
hey Maddie's fan.
This is Dr. Oz, my we met at a church event like
Yeah?
how many months ago now? Christmas maybe. It's so random that you're here like when I'm on my way to
Yeah.
get my keys. Okay, you guys, we're here. I just got the keys from the property clerk who did a whole inspection about the whole property, and she just left, so I thought I'd start filming in the flat. But yeah, we made it, we're here. Theo is at home working, by the way, if you're wondering where he is. He will be joining the move tomorrow, but today was just like my little venture out to film this video and see the apartment and get the keys and everything. Yeah, I'm so excited to be here. It's definitely really weird to see it without any furniture for the first time, and it's much bigger than I remembered, and also I think it's even more beautiful than when I saw it last time, honestly. Like seeing all the moldings without any furniture and seeing just like the bones of the property feels really good. I like it a lot. There are some marks on the walls currently that they are gonna fix later. However, I don't know when they'll fix them because I think they might have to repaint or maybe use some kind of special solution to clean the walls. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna use some of these that I brought over. They're the magic erasers. I have them on my Amazon storefront. They're great. I used them in my previous flat. I'm gonna use them now again. They basically just remove like scuff marks off walls. I thought I might just do it now because when we move our furniture in tomorrow, it's gonna look a little bit more put together. And I don't think it will take me that long, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna go out and get some lunch and some water because there's no food or anything or any cups or anything in this flat currently. And then when I'm back, we'll do a little flat tour. Okay, you guys, let's do a little empty apartment tour, or flat tour as we say here in the UK. So first of all, you enter through this little hallway and then you go right into the kitchen. Welcome, by the way, to Maddie's blue kitchen era. I am so excited. You guys know I love the color blue and I will wear it till I die. I'm so excited to have a little cute blue kitchen, and I love that this is like a little room by itself as well. So this kitchen has a lot of stuff. It has a washing machine. We also have a dishwasher, which is so rare for London flats, especially one bed, so we're really excited about this. There's like a black, I wouldn't say marble, like a faux marble kind of situation with the countertops, and there's a black sink as well, which I really like. I think it goes well with the blue. On the other side, we also have a oven and we have a stovetop. I think it's an electric stovetop. And for the first time since my uni years, I actually have a microwave, which I'm so excited about. I feel like in London in general, it's very rare to have a microwave, so very excited about this and to make lots of popcorn going forward. All these cabinets also are like popping cabinets. I don't know how to explain it, but they like just push them when they open. I think that's what they're called, like pushing something cabinets. And what I also love, and just figured out, is that when you try to like put in your stuff in these, it's actually super smart for renters because you can easily change where the shelves go. So it's not like screws or anything. You literally just pop like a little screw thingy on and you can change the different layouts of the different cabinets, which is so nice. So that's very smart. And then very excitingly, one of the things I loved about this flat is that there is a full-size fridge, or at least this is the best you get in London housing, I feel like. One bedrooms in London typically will only have like a little cabinet, like this one, that will be your fridge. However, this flat has a full one, just as our last one, which is very exciting. And I believe there's also a freezer, yeah. And it seems like they left some stuff for us in this freezer. I guess it's like ice cubes and stuff. It's very funny because when I've been here for the past hour, just like cleaning the stuff off the walls and stuff, I keep finding like random things that either the tenant or the landlord left for us. Like this little bowl that they just left for fruit, I guess. It's very nice of them, but it is an unfurnished flat, so I guess, I don't know. It's just funny. It's like a little treasure hunt. Moving on, we have the living room here. One of my favorite things about this flat also when I toured it is that they kept a lot of the original stuff. So this flat isn't as old as our last one. I think our last one was honestly like 150 years. This is slightly younger, but they still kept all this beautiful molding, as you can see. And I also love this stunning door that they kept. It's definitely not very minimalistic, but I love an old like oak door or some kind of wooden door with glass. I think it's really cute. This is the living room. Our plan for now is to put our sofa here. I think we'll just about fit like this space right here. And then maybe something on the corner here. Our sofa table will obviously be here. And then moving on to over here, we'll probably put our TV and some kind of like TV stand or something along those lines. Maybe even our shelf that we have at home. I'll see kind of how it plays out when the furniture arrives tomorrow. But yes. And the plan over here is to put our dining table and the chairs around in a little circle. There's not a lot of space to play with around this area just because there is a staircase, because this place is actually a maisonette, which is a flat with 2 floors. So the downstairs has the kitchen and the living room, and the upstairs has the bathroom and the bedroom. I really want to create like a cute little corner with some posters, and I have a lot of ideas of how to like personalize the space. But for now, that's where all the furniture is gonna go. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. I feel like this maisonette is just like a little doll's house. I just love that they did all these like small details in this otherwise quite small flat. Like this railing is just so cute and just extra, and I love it. I love all things extra, honestly. The plan here is to put either our like shelf or like a little vanity or something like that that like can hold some more items. In here we have the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It's much bigger than our current one, which is really exciting. We have tons of storage. There's a mirror with storage there. There's another mirror with storage there, so very exciting. We have a bathtub and a shower, so it's like a bath shower situation, and then also a heated towel rail. Should we test if the light works? Let's see. Where's the light? Wait, what? Light works now. We figured it out. And moving on, we have the bedroom. I think honestly this is the biggest room in the entire flat. It's even bigger than the living room downstairs. Guys, look at this space. I'm obsessed. I can't believe this is real. So we have tons of storage for clothes. I've never had a bigger wardrobe in my entire life. Well, actually, only this was my wardrobe, and then this was probably my boyfriend's, who's been asking me for the past year while we've been living in our 34 square meter flat if we can have more wardrobe space. So I think he'll probably have this one, but still so much more space than what we had in the past. I'm so excited. And there's even like built-ins inside the closet, which I think is such a great addition. It's this incredible like, it's like red wood color, which I think is really chic. It's really pretty. And there's also tons of hanging space. And there's gold brass in there. Like all these things that the landlord thought about, I just love. I think it's so nice. And there's even little drawers that are built in. Very excited to move all my clothes into here. It's gonna be in the next movie vlog, by the way, so stay tuned for that. This room also gets so much light. Both the living room and the bedroom get evening light, so I'm very excited to have like dinners and just have light in the evening, because our previous flat, it only got morning light basically, so it's a nice little change. Also, even more storage on this side. I don't know what this cupboard was specifically built for, but I could literally step in here and disappear. Truthfully. You can fit multiple people in here. This closet is literally half the size of our old bathroom in our old flat. Yeah, I think we'll put like storing stuff in here, honestly, but it's a great closet, or a great like little storage room. These doors are so chunky and like good quality. I love them. Another thing that I found during my treasure hunt was mirror. A big full-size mirror that I can put previous tenant or landlord left us. I actually don't mind this mirror because we didn't have one before, so now I might not need to buy one, which is really great. But yeah, mirror. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. There is a moving vlog, moving out of the past apartment to this apartment and getting all our stuff sorted, so stay tuned for that. It's coming very soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!